Hello kids, I am Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, Two Memorable Speeches. On the midnight of August 14, 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose in Lok Sabha to address the nation with these words. Long ago we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time came to redeem our pledges. At the stroke of midnight and the world sleep, India shall awake to freedom. In his message to the press of August 15, 1947, he said, "The appointed day has come, the appointed day by destiny, and India stand forth again after a long slumber and struggle, awake, will, free and independent. It is fateful moment for us in India, for all Asia, for the world. A new star rises, the star of freedom in the east. A new hope come into being, a vision long cherished materialized. May the star never set and that hope never be betrayed. The future beckons to us, whether we go, and what shall we endure, to bring freedom and opportunity to the common man, to the present and the worker of India, to fight and end poverty and ignorance and diseases, to build up a prosperous, democratic, and progressive nation, and to create social, economical, and political institutions which will ensure justice and fulfillment of life to every man and woman. We have work ahead. There is no resting for all of us till we redeem our pledges in full, till we'll make the people of India what destiny intended them to be. We are citizens of great country on the verge of bold audience of advance, and we have to live up with that high standard. Thank you.